think we're live. It's kind of cold out here.
Emily says hi.
Use your little pop socket.
For right now, it's just me live watching. Lulu Page. Hey.
That's like yesterday too. Too much bass.
That's me waving at you, Lulu Page.
Where?
Right
Oh,
in my
down
thing.
there. Okay. Yes, we are outside enjoying this wonderful weather because as the cold front moves in.
You're, oh boy.
Oh boy, I'll take that as a compliment.
Oh boy.
All right. So, all right, let me cut this off.
Alright. So yeah, some things,
All right.
special things.
Did you even
planned.
bring the recipe outside? Or am I just,
This is the recipe.
am I just use the wing there? Okay.
Yeah.
So we have kale,
Yeah.
chicken,
It's chicken,
apple,
onion,
onion, and what is this?
mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard mix.
Mayonnaise and Dijon mustard
Yup.
mixed. Excellent. All right.
She said, "Get it together, Bob."
Oh yeah, my recipe. I get it. I got it. Kale,
Ooh. Yeah,
chicken.
this is gonna be rough.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna doctor it first. Will you stop? You haven't even had anything today.
I'm telling you, off the charts.
All right. So chicken, apple, kale. Home run, people. Home
Can't
run.
Go any better than
Eating
this.
clean today. Did you post the recipe? Has anybody else chimed in?
Joyce.
Hey, Joyce. Great recipe. Hi, Deidre. Don't come out here with any phone calls or any technical support. We're shut down. All right, I'm getting ready to eat this. Man, leave some for someone else.
What'd you,
Oh, I forgot the onion. How's Joyce today? I hear Bill's under the weather.
All right. Let's see about this mess.
Yes, please. That's why I wore a black sweatshirt.
Wow, a lot of kale in the mouth.
It's not bad. The apple is a good touch. The kale is like cardboard. So what can we do about that?
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
Eating clean, people.
It's definitely eating clean.
It's all about eating antioxidants. Lindsay is all over this. Aren't you, Lindsay?
Yeah, I think she would like that.
Combined serves today.
So
Nice.
I mentioned I would talk about lower back pain because I seriously can't stop chewing this kale. Kale's good for your teeth too, by the way.
So spinach.
Yeah. So
I think my favorite part about this is the mayonnaise. And
I found this
Dijon.
article. I can't share it because it gave me six tips to fixing lower back pain. I can only use 3.
Olivia's on now.
Olivia.
And Lindsay says that's definitely not a pretzel and a beard.
No, it's not.
Oh, Jennifer.
Hey,
Our
Jennifer.
friend from Bettina's workplace is
Yeah.
on. It's good to see you.
Hi. All right, back to lower back pain.
Yeah,
one
tell us.
one thing I did learn here is that as you begin to experience back pain, there's always this debate about ice
Oh.
or heat, right? Constantly.
Mm-hmm.
So it mentions here to start with ice in the first 24 to 48 hours. After that, you can use heat. Now you remember with ice is nice. That's always what I remember being in athletics. But the other thing about heat is, remember heat is like if your back is tight, it loosens it up like a rubber band. But then once you take that heat off, it just goes right back. So that's why you use that caution in the beginning. So remember, ice first, then heat. And of course, there are ways of doing it properly. I mean, Lindsay's online. Why isn't she chiming in?
I know, she's the nurse.
Nurse a lot. So, third one is a good good one. It talks about your desk. I know some of us have a desk job, and it says to rethink your workspace. I think Emily covered this once before, but it talks about things such as your keyboard, your mouse, where you reach for your pens, how close you sit to the desk, the height of the desk, the chair, things like that, and even your monitor, how you position your monitor, and all of that can really give you either good or back pain results by the way you're sitting. Now, this person next to me, throughout the day, I must say I periodically tell her to sit up, and that's what we have to do, is keep good posture, right?
Right. And hi, Bettina.
Hey, Bettina.
Yeah, I'm always slouching.
She is. Even those that I see that use the step or the desk, it's got a...
The standing desk?
Yeah, standing desk, thank you. They're standing at the desk, but the moment they need to sit, they go right into a slouch. Not a big fan. So try to keep your posture good, and once you get that, make sure you're not reaching too much for things. If your keyboard, they have the pads for your wrist. So all of those things can add to that. And then the last one is about sleeping smarter. Again, trying to get the right amount of sleep is always essential, but how you sleep, the position in which you sleep, can make a difference. Placing a pillow or two between your legs while sleeping on your side helps to reduce stress on your lower back. So if you can deal with it, it would help. So those are just a couple of tips. And here's one tip that I recommend when it comes to working out. Guys will say, I can't work out, my back hurts. And now, of course, that means they can't work out at all. But that's not true. Once you get things warm, then go into your stretches. We've showed you the stretches before. I think I even showed you some of the things that we can do early on in the workout so that it warms up as you start to work out. So those are some things to consider for lower back pain. I'm going to try to eat this for lunch.
So we had Kale join us. And
Hey, Kale.
And Olivia says she's having back pain today, so she said this came at the right time.
Yeah, definitely. And in your position, it's a unique one. So back pain will be that. So try to remember ice first, and then if you need heat, because I'm sure your back pain is ongoing in your concern for, I guess you would call that a pregnant state, correct?
Yeah, she's definitely
she's
pregnant.
definitely pregnant. So, and yeah, that can play a role. And that's why, not saying this about you, Olivia, but those of us with stomachs, men specifically, back pain is always an issue. So you got to take care of that back and work on that diet. So,
Yep.
Anything else?
That's it. So tomorrow is
Yes.
going to be a little throwback trivia.
It will be.
And I'm also going to make a refreshing but healthy drink called a pink drink.
A pink drink. I
Yep.
cannot wait. It's good to see everyone back at 12:15.
Yeah, I think it's been a good thing we went back to normal time.
Yeah, it's actually reduced my stress as well.
And we've missed our followers like Bettina and others like Jennifer. So it's nice to see those names pop back up.
That's right.
All right.
All
So
right.
does anybody like this setup? I kind of liked it.
I'm not a big fan, but
All right, so have a great day. I know it's getting a little bit cooler outside, but still try and make smart decisions about how to eat a little bit cleaner. Find ways to tweak your diet so you can cut out some of that unnecessary processed foods. So see you guys tomorrow. Like us on Facebook, subscribe us on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, obviously, and LinkedIn and
Oh, yeah.
Twitter.
She'll get
Woo!
this one day, people.
One day, I gotta
Have a
figure
great
it
day,
out.
everyone.
Bye.